We have a meeting in the evening.
Mark. I personally draw my own designs. It's my touch.
Okay. I'm afraid it's gonna
Are you
take
ordering
time,
for more guns?
especially your choice, Vijay. It's gonna
Okay, so I
take
have this
time.
local guy, Freddy. You can get in touch with him. He'll coordinate everything.
I know this guy, Vijay. I don't want to meet this guy again.
You gone mad. पागल हो चुका है तू. Don't give me father का reason. I don't give a about your father.
Don't go there, Anjali.
You must have had a very good time with her, na? I've seen the girl. She's a very pretty girl. उसका भी बहुत बड़ा pelvis है. She can also accommodate healthy babies. जाओ बच्चे पैदा करो उसके साथ.
Anjali.
Don't touch.